Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, assistant teacher of English, NIVS Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's discussion topic, unseen passages number 3, 4 and 5. From your suggestion, I am going to conduct unseen passages number 3, 4 and 5. You can open your suggestion or you can open also your CW copy. You can pick up some information. So let's start. First of all, our unseen passage 3 is all about two women. Both women claimed about a small boy, that he is my small boy, and other ones also claimed that type of demand. But whenever they made a quarrel between them, then they were sent to judge. The judge was very wise man. Then he solved the trouble. Once two women had a quarrel over a small boy. Each claimed to be the mother of the child. What a funny miss. Each claimed to be the mother of the child. They were brought before a judge. The judge listened to both women. It was really a difficult case to decide. It was very difficult to decide who can be the mother of this boy. Both women claimed that I am the mother of this boy. Then the judge was confused. After thinking deeply, the judge found out the solution. He ordered one of his men cut the child into half. What a shocking matter it is. The judge was very wise man. That's why he took a decision that he ordered his servant to cut the boy into two equal parts. Then let each woman have a part. On hearing the judge's order, one of the women screamed out loudly and said, "Please have mercy, your lordship. Let the women have the baby. Let the poor boy live." Now, one woman claimed that I don't need my boy. Please, I refused my claim. Please give the boy to other women so that the boy can be survived. I give up my claim to it. The other women remained silent. The wise judge recognized the real mother. He gave the baby to the woman who was ready to give up her claim. He sent the other woman to jail. As other woman was false in his claim, that's why she was sent to jail. Now question number 5. You know that in question number 5 there will be some statements. In these statements you have to find out what statements are true and what are false. First one is, two women had a quarrel over a little girl. So in our passage we got the information about the small boy, but there is not information about little girl. So it's our false information right here, false. Second one, they were brought before a judge. Yes, the information is matched to the passage, so you can write here true. Third one, the little girl was confused. As there is no discussion about little girls, so information is not true, right here false. Number D, the judge ordered to cut the child into half. Yes, the information is true. You can write here true because judge ordered to cut the child into half. Then E number, the two women remain silent at the judge's decision. It's false information because we know that only one woman were silent and the other one refused his claim. So right here false. Now go to question number 6. Question number 6 is here. Fill in the blanks. You will be given a table with some clues words. You have to pick up this word from there and you have to fill the gaps. Number 1, the false mother was to jail. False mother was to jail means was sent to jail. You can write here sent. Two women were for a baby. Two women were quarreling for a baby. Here is the word quarreling. Two women were quarreling. Quarreling for what? Quarreling for the baby. Okay, next one is the judge was very wise. The judge was very wise man. The women claimed the baby. Which women? Both women. Both women claimed the baby. The judge, the real mother. The judge recognized the real mother. Here should be recognized. Okay, it's done. Now go to question number 7. You know, in question number 7, there will be given some question. You have to write them answer. Why were the two women quarreling? Answer: two women were quarreling for having the small boy. You know, two women were quarreling for having the small boy. Next one is B. What did the judge order? The judge ordered his guard to cut the child into half. Okay, number C. Why did the real mother give up her claim? Answer is here. The real mother gave up her claim because she understood that if the order of the judge is executed, then she will lose her child forever. Okay, number D. What happened to the fake mother? The punishment was the fake mother was sent to jail. Was it easy for the judge to find a solution? No, it was very difficult to find any solution. Now question number 8. You know, in question number 8, there will be given a letter. You have to write this letter. So learn this letter and practice at home. The topic is suppose you are Shima or Shoikot from Dhaka. Write a letter to your friend Jessica or John who lives in the UK about your mother. Your topic is write a letter to your friend about your mother. The key points you can mention: what is your mother's name, how does she look, and what type of woman she is, and what does she do. This point can be mentioned in your letter discussion. Okay, now go to question unseen number 4. Unseen number 4 is all about Maliha. Maliha is a student of class 6 in a government school in Rajshahi. What type of school? It's government school. Okay, her mother works in an IT firm. Where? In an IT firm, and her father is a businessman. Her father is a businessman. Maliha is very fond of her aunt. She is very fond of her aunt. Fond of means likes. Her father's sister. Aunt means her father's sister. Name Suraya Begum. Her aunt lives in another part of the same town. On Friday, she often goes to her aunt's place and spends time with her. When? On Friday. Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher. What is she? She is a retired school teacher. She is a widow and lives alone. She lost her husband few years ago. Her husband died 3 years ago. Her 2 daughters are married and live with their families in abroad. They often talk to her over telephone and come to visit her whenever they get time. Now question number 5. True false. True false is given here. Number 1. Maliha is a student of class 7. Is it true? No, the information is false because Maliha is a student of class 6. Okay, now Maliha's father is a service holder. Is it true? No, because Maliha's father is a businessman. So it's false information. It also false. Maliha is very fond of her uncle. No, it also false statement because we know Maliha is very fond of her aunt. So right here false. The next one, Suraya Begum is a college teacher. No, Suraya Begum is a retired school teacher. Maliha is a student of private school. It also false because Maliha is a student of government school. F number, there is a correction. Please correct the word from your suggestion. Is given here Maria. It should be Maliha. It should be Maliha's mother is a housewife. Correct the wrong spelling from your suggestion. Okay, G number, they often talk. Here the word often. Often is a noun. Is false because we know that often is an adverb. Is adverb of time. So it also false. I mean all the answer is false here. Okay, now go to question number 6. Fill in the gaps with the correct word from the box below. There are some extra words which you don't need to use. Number 1, Maliha reads in a government school. Reads in a government school. Maliha likes her aunt very much. Suraya Begum is a retired teacher. Here is the word retired. Okay, next one. Maliha's mother works in an IT firm. Suraya Begum has two daughters. Okay, now go to question number 7. Question answer. Who is Maliha? Maliha is a student of class 6 in a government school in Rajshahi. What does Maliha's father do? Maliha's father is a businessman. Who is Suraya Begum? Suraya Begum, aunt of Maliha, was a retired school teacher. She was an aunt of Maliha and also a retired school teacher. Where do Suraya Begum's daughters live? Suraya Begum's daughters live with their families abroad. What does Maliha do with her aunt? On Friday, Maliha visits her aunt and spends time with her. Now question number 8, it also later, so you should practice at home. As we have very limited time, so we are not providing the answer. You should practice at home. This is a creative question, so you are requested to practice at home. The topic is, suppose you are Ratna or Ratri reading in class 5. Write a letter to your pen friend Shabuj, who lives in the USA. Pen friend means one kind of friend to whom you are maintaining communication, writing letter or exchanging letter. Now you need to write a letter to him about a relative whom you visit often. Now you write a letter to your pen friend about your relative whom you visit often. So this is all about unseen passage 4. Now take your unseen passage number 5. There is also another correction in your suggestion. Is written here about Maliha, but it should be Firuz. Unseen passage is all about Firuz, a street boy, a waste collector. Please correct from your suggestion. Firuz collects rubbish from the Badda area in Dhaka. Every morning he wakes up at 5 o'clock and walks along the streets of Badda to collect rubbish. Why? To collect rubbish. People of Badda put their rubbish in plastic bins and leave them in front of their house. Firuz walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the bins are very dirty and they smell bad, but Firuz doesn't mind. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them where? In a large plastic bag. He believes that all jobs are important. What does he believe? All jobs are important. He works hard every day to keep this area clean. Last month Firuz was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. The people of Badda were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their house. Why? Because Firuz didn't come to collect the rubbish. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. When Firuz got well, he came back to Badda. He collected everything from all the bins. Firuz doesn't want to fall sick again. He realizes if he stops working even for a few days, only the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. So now go to question number 5, true false. First one, Firuz collects rubbish from Bonosri area, is false information because we know that he collects rubbish from Badda area. Firuz is a waste collector. Yes, the information is matched with the passage. Number C, he takes out everything from bins and throws them in the river. It's totally false accusation to Firuz because he collect the rubbish and throw them in a large plastic bag. So it's false, right here false. And number D, the people of Badda area all to Firuz. True. The people of Badda area all grateful to Firuz. Once Firuz was sick and whole area became dirty. Yes, true. Firuz collected the rubbish during his sickness. No, he didn't go to collect the rubbish during his sickness. The sentence, the whole area became dirty, is in present tense. Now it also false because here is this is our past tense because here is the verb used in past form. That's why it's past tense. Go to question number 6, fill in the blanks. Firuz is a what type of boy? Street boy. Firuz is a street boy. Firuz is pleased with his job. Firuz is pleased with his job. The people of Badda area are grateful to Firuz. Grateful to Firoz. Okay, now go to question number D. He wakes up early in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning. Due to illness, Firoz couldn't come to collect rubbish. Now question answer. Answer the following question. What are the plastic bins used for? The plastic bins are used for collecting rubbish. Why does Firoz walk from door to door? Firoz walks from door to door to collect the rubbish. What does he believe? He believes that all jobs are important. Why are the people of Barda area in great trouble? Once Firoz was sick and couldn't collect rubbish from Barda area, and the whole area became dirty and unhygienic. That's why the people of Barda area are in the great trouble. What will happen if Firoz falls sick again? If Firoz falls sick again, he will not be able to collect rubbish and the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. So this is all about our today's class. I read out 3 unseen passages with exercise also. I hope you already picked up the information is given here. Now take your SW. This is SW number 13. It also a letter. Suppose you are Shuhel and Samina reading in class 5. Write a letter to your friend Laila who lives in the UK. UK means United Kingdom. About the importance of all jobs. Your main topic is importance of all jobs. This is your letter topic. You should submit this SW coming Sunday and collect the previous SW also. I hope you have understood our today's discussion. There is 2 correction in the unseen passage. Unseen number 5. There it should be about Firoz is given in suggestion Maliha. So change and correct the topic. And there is another correction here is Maliha. F number true false. So I hope you have corrected the wrong spelling. So listen to your parents. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.